Scanning the instruments with your eyes, interpreting their indications, and applying that information are the three fundamental skills required for instrument flying. Instrument scanning is an art you will develop with practice. An aircraft's instruments can be divided into two categories: control and performance. The ADI and RPM indicator are known as control instruments. The performance instruments are the altimeter and VSI for altitude, the compass and turn coordinator for direction, and the airspeed indicator for airspeed. Starting with your eyes focused on the ADI, scan the performance instruments that provide the information required for each maneuver. For example, during straight and level flight, you can scan this sequence. Check attitude with the ADI. Move to the compass to confirm heading. Back to the ADI to make corrections to heading. Over to the altimeter to confirm altitude. Back to the ADI for corrections in altitude. Move to the airspeed indicator to confirm airspeed. Then back to the ADI to confirm attitude. Remember, avoid fixation. Keep your eyes moving and always return to the ADI.